What's up, guys? We are starting today's video on the side of the road. It is super sunny. We saw this huge sunflower field and it was just like neon yellow, so we had to pull over.
Yeah, we had to pull over. Haley was like, we gotta stop there. But yeah, it's super fitting because we're actually driving around in our new car. Yeah. His name is Sunny.
We've had this car since the beginning of July and we haven't posted about it on Instagram. We haven't shown it on YouTube yet.
Yeah, so this will be the first peak of Sunny that you guys will be getting, and we thought it was very fitting to show you by this rad field of sunflowers.
Yep. All right, let's show him our dream car.
Here he is. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video introduction of our new Jeep Sunny. We couldn't be more stoked to cruise around in him all summer, as well as add him to our collection of rad cars. We're actually going to be selling this white Jeep. Sunny is kind of that Jeep's replacement, but yeah, we're stoked. It's our newest car we've ever had, a 2003. Not very new to most people, but pretty new for us. Yeah, we're just super excited. We've always wanted a Jeep and finally just jumped in and made it happen. Haley cruised to the grocery store. I'm waiting at home, kind of getting the grill ready. We're gonna grill some brats for lunch, and I guess we'll see what else we get up to today. She's back, and she got long matches, I think basically just because they looked fun.
I just thought the idea of a giant match sounded fun. But it's probably easier to use a lighter. It's okay. We can use these for campfires.
There you go, now we're smoking.
I started this myself.
I said I was gonna start the grill, but Haley got these matches and she had to do it.
Look, I'm a smoke show.
Total smoke show. Good job. Do you like a charred one or not so charred one? This one's extra.
Extra charred.
Extra charred it is. Some sauerkraut from the local farmer's market. Yes, we
so
like
good.
sauerkraut.
I'll eat this whole jar.
Minnesota things. Do other people from other states eat sauerkraut?
I don't know.
I feel like that's kind
Comment
of a Minnesota
below.
thing. Looking good.
So good. Bryce built this contraption so that he's able to take the roof off by himself. It looks like a turtle. I'm impressed.
Just like that. Now I gotta put the paddleboard racks on, and then we'll put the paddleboards on, and we'll head to the lake. Sorry, I'm out of breath.
I don't blame you. Yeah, it just got like warmer out and nice, so we're gonna go to the lake.
Yeah.
Took the top off.
Should we just spin to the lake?
Sure. And we are at Eagle Lake. So we just got here. We brought both of our paddle boards. We're really stoked because we got a second Paddle North board for the summer and we've been loving it. And yeah, I feel like the Jeep looks pretty cool with them.
Yeah, it looks so sick with the top off and the boards on there.
Yeah.
We're just so excited about our Jeep. We're just
nerding out.
We probably have like hundreds of photos on our iPhone. Just like we park and we're like, look at that. And just like take a picture.
Yeah, this was the first lake that we brought our Paddle North board to, because it's like super clear. And now we have our second one.
Yeah, it's only 30 minutes from our house, so figured we'd come back and paddle around.
So Muscle Man over here takes the boards off all by himself. This is the new one that we got. It's like 10.5 feet, and then
this one's 12.5, I think.
that one is 12.5, he says. But yeah, it's crazy though. The one that we just got this summer is like a 10-pound difference. I mean, he can still carry this one on his own,
this
but
one you can just like,
it's so light and easy to move. Like I can carry this one by myself, like no
yeah, it's
worries.
like perfect. Like Hailey just takes a small one, she can lift it easy, and then I just go with the little bit bigger one.
Yeah. So we definitely recommend, like this one we used for a couple years, just like the two of us, we shared this big one because 2 people can comfortably like ride around on that one. And then the second one we decided to go with a smaller size just for speed and I don't know.
And it's definitely easier for you to like.
Oh my gosh. Leave that in.
It's easier for Hailey to get it in and out of the water, being
True.
10.6 and it's a little bit lighter.
Wait, are you saying I don't have muscle?
No, it's just like
kidding.
if you're trying to get the 12.6 one in the water by yourself, you're kind of like
Oh, I'm struggling
carrying
always.
it over, but this one's like no worries.
Yeah. The Jeep is literally glowing in the sun right now.
So sick, you're just like, yep.
This is Eagle Lake. We've only been here a few times, but it's worth the drive because it's so clear.
Paddleboards are all ready to go. I got the fins put in, paddles. I got the GoPro dangling off me. You can see it. But yeah, I think we're gonna switch over to the GoPro and head out on the lake. Hailey's sunblocking up over here. And yeah. That's refreshing. These don't help me hold my breath longer. We found a nice spot. We're just floating on the lake. Here's Hailey. It's so zoomed on you. Nice. But she's got the GoPro strapped to her life jacket, so. Oh, there we go.
This is so relaxing. I wanted to paddle around the whole lake and we made it like,
1/10 of the way around.
and then the water got calm and we laid down. For cinematic effect.
That was for cinematic effect. Why are you mad?
Plus you splashed the board.
I'd actually splashed a lot more than I intended to splash you. Does this beat the last time we came here?
Mm-hmm. It was so stormy and cold.
Yeah, last time we were here it was stormy and we ended up sitting in the car for probably 2 hours. Hailey was just watching The Office.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
So Hailey was watching The Office and then Wes and I were fishing off the dock, trying to catch fish and film little fishing videos. And what else happened? Finally got sunny, we went out, Wes lost his GoPro, it got stormy again, took us an hour to find it. And yeah, I'll just say that this time is much better. Nice and sunny, crystal clear water, my beach.
Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool.
That was so good, we might get a copyright claim if we could put that in the video.
Shoot.
I was like dead on. I wonder how this audio is sounding on the GoPro. Hopefully good. Hopefully it's good. So I've never been very good at diving, but I'm trying to learn and figure it out at age 26. Am I 26?
You're 25.
25?
Yeah.
At age 25, I'm trying to learn how to dive.
Oh, good.
Lost my shorts. GoPro battery is blinking. Launch in. I'm ready. we made it back off the lake. The GoPro battery died, so kind of probably didn't film very much out there, but it was relaxing and fun.
Yeah. Bryce practiced his dives.
I touched the bottom once somewhere where it was maybe 20 feet deep.
He brought up some sand in his hand to prove it to me.
I'm like, I did it! But yeah, I'm pretty much the worst at holding my breath. I can hold my breath for maybe 30 seconds, max.
I did one cannonball.
Yeah, hopefully the GoPro caught that. That was the last clip we filmed, but yeah.
I hope it died halfway through.
No, it was a 10 out of 10 cannonball. That's what I said, but then the GoPro battery was dead. But yeah, we're going to load up the paddle boards and probably roll out of here. Hailey's back to the snack
That's what
game.
you need on lake days is snacks. Always.
Not really sure what else we have planned. Maybe dinner somewhere? Or you're going to make something maybe?
I don't know.
We'll see. We're kind of just winging it today.
We'll let you guys know what we're up to next.
We made it home.
We figured out what we wanted to do the rest of the night.
We grabbed pizza. The classic we don't want to cook cop-out. Ordered it on the way back from the lake. Picked it up.
And we're going to watch the Bachelorette finale.
Hailey is going to watch the Bachelorette finale. I'm going to eat pizza with her until I'm done, and then I'm going to put the top on.
And I got him bone-in wings.
She loves me. She got me chicken wings. But yeah, I guess we'll just end the video here. We probably could have ended it at the lake, but...
Then you guys wouldn't have got to smell this pizza.
But yeah, hope you enjoyed.
We'll see you next time.
Later.
Bye.